Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel and thank you for joining me as we continue our tour in Phuket, Thailand. Today we are exploring a beach that I haven't visited before. We are in Karon Beach. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my future travel videos. This will also help us grow the channel and make more videos like this one. So without delay, let's explore Karon Beach. Let's go. Today we will take a virtual tour of Karon Beach and explore the facilities, activities, accommodations, and food and drink options. Karon Beach is located on the west coast of Phuket, approximately 20 minutes south of Patong Beach. It's about 3 kilometers long of soft white sand and crystal clear water, ideal for walking and sunbathing. It is the third largest beach in Phuket, following Patong and Mai Khao beaches, offering plenty of space for visitors to enjoy. It is easy to access Karon Beach via the smart bus, which costs only 100 baht, or taxi, tuk-tuk, or motorbike from other parts of Phuket.
Clear water, crystal clear water.
The waters at Karon Beach are generally calm and suitable for swimming, especially during the high season, which is November to April. The beach is suitable for families with children because of its gentle waves and wide shoreline. During the low season, which is May to October, Karon Beach has stronger waves, which makes it suitable for surfing. There are plenty of umbrellas, chairs, and sunbeds for rent, and visitors can enjoy water activities such as jet skis, parasailing, and snorkeling. There are also a few massage parlors and spas along the beach offering traditional Thai massages. There are also other beach activities such as beach volleyball and beach football. In fact, Karon Beach occasionally hosts beach football tournaments attracting both locals and tourists. Nearby, you'll find some markets and street vendors selling souvenirs, clothing, and local crafts. While not as crazy as Patong, Karon Beach offers a more laid-back nightlife scene with beachside bars and live music. Here we reach the south end of Karon Beach, a very nice shaded area, very suitable for swimming and snorkeling. That's it. That's the end of the beach. There are multiple hotels and resorts lining the beachfront, offering a range of accommodations from budget to luxury. Not deep at all. Karon Beach also features a variety of restaurants and bars serving both local Thai cuisine and international dishes.
I'll check it and put the exact lens later.
And here you'll see the long-tail boats for trips to nearby beaches and islands. Amazing crystal clear water, very calm, not deep, very suitable for swimming. More umbrellas and lounges along the beach. Beautiful hotel right on the beach, sea view and swimming pool, has its own restaurants and ice cream parlor. Also a few Thai restaurants offering local cuisine, seafood, and some international options.
Less than the other place.
That's all for today's tour, my friends. But we will be back soon with more amazing destinations. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to join us on our next adventure. See you on the next one.